Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Reddit videos not playing. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, I am going to open up Reddit apps here and I can scroll down and you can see if there are any videos that are not playing or if all the videos are not playing. There are few different things that we can do to definitely get that working again. Now the very first thing that we will do is we will hop into Safari or Google Chrome and we will just type in speed test here and you are going to run a quick speed test. Make sure that your internet is faster than say 5 megabyte per second. We are checking to see that you can load that video and that's not the reason why the video is not playing. So if it's faster than 5 MB per second, that's plenty fast enough. If it's really slow, you might want to switch from Wi-Fi over to cell data or vice versa so that you get a better internet connection. So now that we have verified that your internet is fine and working, we want to make sure that Reddit itself is not down. So let's type in is Reddit down and we can head over to down detector here. Now we will scroll down and if you see any of all a sudden big spike in reports that Reddit is down, that's an indication that it's Reddit server that are causing those videos to not be able to play, and it's not an issue with your specific phone. But if you can see here, it does not seem like there is any big spike. There is no clear indication of why Reddit's videos are not playing and it's not down. We can move on to the last step, so we will hop out of there and go into our settings and then we will scroll down until we get to general and tap on general here and then we will tap on iPhone storage. Now this will pull up all of our apps on our phone and we can find Reddit and we are going to upload this app and reinstall this app, and then what it does is it refreshes and force updates the Reddit app to the latest version and get rid of any kind of bugs. If there is a bug within the Reddit app, it will clear out the bug, but it does not log out. It does not change any of your posts, anything like that, any of your personal data. It just refreshes those core app files and then we can open up Reddit again, and once it loads we should see these videos is playing. And this is the way how you can fix Reddit videos not playing. Thanks for watching this video.